Intellistride offers RFID-based IoT solutions for the automotive industry. As an auto manufacturer, dealer, service center, etc., you face challenges in supply chain visibility, overstocking, cost containment, providing better service, interpretation of data, and many other areas. Intellistride's strong expertise in essential technologies is used to build innovative automotive IoT solutions, supported by an IoT platform that offers asset tracking throughout your supply chain logistics to bring a new level of efficiency to the automotive industry. Our automotive IoT solutions use the cutting-edge RFID, IoT hardware and software technology from Catherine, Germany, supported by expert solutioning services. These are some of the benefits of IoT: increased asset and tool utilization, improved services to end customer and upsell services, reduced cost to organization and end customer, easy shipping and tracking, instant restocking of supplies to prevent shortages, theft prevention, compliance to safety regulations through scheduled maintenance. If you would like to explore the transformation of your automotive service center, speak to us today about your plans to get started on a digitalization journey.